Hey there, YouTube and world, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fantastic. Oh yeah, I'm doing fantastic here. I'm about to unbox yet another product on the computer channel. This is actually review, which means that this thing, it was sent to me so that I can do another review. Another review, because there's a lot of review on this product already on the internet, on Amazon, eBay, and on the World Wide Web, and just share my experience with the iRobot Braava Jet 240 mopping boat, or mopping robot, mop boat, you know. Yeah. So this is the product. It's called iRobot Braava Jet 240. So the thing with this product is it's already been there in the market for almost like 4 or 5 years now. So sure about that, but I have seen videos on YouTube as late as 2017, 2016. So yeah, and a lot of reviews are really old, like almost 5 years old on Amazon. So I'm guessing this has been on the market for a very long time, and it has been recommended by a lot of users. There's some complicated mopping boats online, available online, expensive ones, but this is quite reasonable. uh, Reasonable means it's under $200. So actually you can get it for like 159 or 169 if you look for it on eBay, and in Amazon I'm guessing it's 179, 189, somewhere there. So 159 for a robot like this is not bad. So let's do the unboxing. If you have been following my computer channel, you would have seen that I actually unboxed a vacuum cleaner, robotic, a RoboVac, or robotic vacuum cleaner called Eufy 25C. I've done a review. If you haven't seen this, I'm gonna leave a link over here. It's gonna pop out, and you can go and check out that video. It's a very extensive review on this Eufy vacuum cleaner, or robotic vacuum cleaner, or RoboVac. They have so many names. Alright, so this is the Mopper. It's pretty small compared to the RoboVac. It's really tiny. It is tiny because so that it can fit in tight spaces. That's why they designed it like that. They deliberately designed it tiny. So I've seen this on the internet. That's how I know. So you can carry it like this, and this is where you add the water. That's why I have the bottled water here, to give you all a demonstration. And this here is for the solution, cleaning solution. I don't have a solution right now, so I'm just gonna add some water, and comes with a user manual, owner manual, whatever you want to call it. And then this is where the battery goes. So the difference between this mopper and this vacuum cleaner is this vacuum cleaner actually has a dock that it finds and loads itself onto in order to get charged. So it's smart in that sense. But this mopper, this robotic mopper, actually does not have that. So what you have to do is you need to charge the battery. This is the The mop cloths are, I forgot what you call it, but the three kinds here, you know, the mopping fabric or mopping cloth. So this is actually the dry, that's what I saw. This is the medium wet and this is high wet. That's why they colored it like that. And here's the battery. This is the battery that goes into here. And then the way this is charged is actually, you know, you have to use this charger of the battery in here like this, and then plug it into the wall. That's how you charge it. So you gotta first open it up from here and then put it in here and then charge it. That's how it's charged. Alright folks, so I was able to, you know, set it up, put in the battery. It looks like the battery's got some juice in it, and I was able to put the mopper in. You know, this is the mopper. This is the back side actually. So this is actually pretty easy to put in if you want. So this comes out and goes in very easily. So this is it. This goes here, and all you gotta do is match this with this. Just slide it in. It's really easy, very easy. And this is the back side of it. It's got two wheels. These are the sensors, I'm guessing. Or maybe in the future they're gonna have a docking station for this robot, and maybe, you know, that's why it's there. Alright, so okay, let's add the water in, because we need to add the water. There's no water in it, so let's add the water. Okay, so this is how much water it took. Almost, you know, half a bottle of water. It all went in. It's actually overflowing right now, so I'm not sure if this was good or bad. I'm just gonna seal it up. Okay. Yeah, there was a lot of water. So put a lot of water there. Okay. So it's gonna mop it up anyways. Let's start it up and see what it does. Oh, by the way, this white one is for dry mopping, this one is for wet mopping, and this one is for dry wet in between mopping. So yeah, that's why they have different colors. Alright, so let's check this one out. Let's start it up. There it goes. Alright, so what it's doing is spraying some water from here and then mopping it up. So this is how it mops the floor. So this robot is actually very useful if you have tile floors such as these. You know, really helps. Alright, so it did bounce over there. It has a sensor, so we don't need to worry. Yeah, there. Change the direction because it bounced onto that object, my bed. So now it turned around and it's doing the mopping again. So it's very simple procedure that it follows. First it sprays the water and then it wipes it off. Sprays the water, wipes it off. Yep. So that's how it goes. And I need to actually download an app for this as well. There's an app for it. Yep, they've got an app for everything nowadays. So I actually vacuumed this room a while ago, and with this UV vacuum robot. Now the iRobot Mopper is mopping this room, so that's complete. Looks like a complete thing, you know. Vacuuming and mopping. There's two big tasks that I don't have to worry about, especially if you have a house where it's all tile floor and gets very dirty very easily. Alright, just have an app, and then that app you can do a lot of things, like you can tell it to run for this long or that long. You can also tell it to stop. You can also tell it to go. And yeah, there's a lot of feature in that app. I can't show you that app because I'm filming with my phone, and if I'm filming with my phone, I can't operate that app right now. There's a lot of YouTube videos on YouTube where you can actually go and see that app features. That's pretty cool, and for this price, this is really cool. I mean, this is the best it gets. So far, this iRobot Braava Jet 240 has done a pretty good job in mopping. I was able to connect it to my mobile phone using the app, the iRobot app. It's been a bit buggy, but now it seems to be working after a few updates here and there. One thing I've discovered is this robot actually works on Bluetooth connectivity. It does not have Wi-Fi, so unfortunately it will not work with Google Assistant, and it will not work with Amazon Alexa, since they both work on Wi-Fi. So the only thing that it will work with is your mobile phone and the app that it comes with. So the app is pretty useful, so as long as you have your mobile phone, you can command it to do a lot of things, you know, shut it down, start it, you know, um, tell it to mop in a specified area, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I would say it's a pretty good deal if it's like $179. It used to be $200, 200 something, but now they've reduced it to $179. You can find it for $149 online. So yeah, and I'm really amazed at the battery backup that it has. I charged it for like 2 hours, and it's been going on for over 3 hours right now, still mopping. So yeah, I would totally recommend this iRobot Braava Jet 240. Alright, stay cool everybody, and stay fantastic. Oh yeah.